Welcome to the Birdhouse Nature Store, your one-stop shop for all things wild bird related in Brighton, Ontario. We believe in bringing nature closer to you. That's why we offer a wide range of birdhouses, feeders, and bird seed, all carefully selected to attract a variety of feathered friends to your backyard. Whether you're a seasoned bird enthusiast or a beginner, we have everything you need. So come on down to the Birdhouse Nature Store today and let our friendly and knowledgeable staff help you create a wild bird haven that you'll enjoy for years to come. The Birdhouse Nature Store. Discover wild birds, find joy.